Hi, welcome to another episode of the weekly InvArch update. I'm going to be giving you all of the important news and updates happening at InvArch and its project. Everybody, let's dive in. We have a couple of things to look at. It's been a very exciting week. Welcome. GitHub, created in 2008, it's a hosting service for software developers, coders. They boast 83 million users worldwide. Essentially, they allow developers to store their code for free on their corporate central database. That's wonderful because they do have a lot of resources and it is relatively safe. You can keep your IP there as well too. The problem is that with GitHub, before you run away and join, let's take a look at some of the issues that they have there. For example, if you don't have access to the database, you don't have access to your file. If the GitHub platform goes offline as it has in the past due to DDoS attack, you don't have access to your files. If you ever lose access to your account or your two-factor authentication, then you get it, right? You lose access to your file. Now, Microsoft owns and oversees everything happening at GitHub. And so when you use GitHub, you rely on the fact that number one, Microsoft won't get hacked, or number two, attacked, or number three, they would abandon their duties as they are now. So the current user experience, we wouldn't like that to change. And we depend upon that because all of this could lead to you losing access to your files. Now, these are some common problems associated with Web 2. InvArch has created its most recent product, GitArch. This is a powerful and seamless alternative to hosting services such as GitLab and GitHub for coders and software developers. Now, the interface, it's the same, so is the UI and the UX system. So users of Web 2 platforms will find this very, very familiar already, and hence the reason why the transition is seamless. However, GitArch features Git repositories stored as NFT primitives, as well as being able to add licenses on-chain too. Now, these are Web3 instruments that are available to all of its users, and the process of doing this has really never been simpler. Now, if you're a developer or you work in a team of developers, then we would absolutely love to hear from you because the open beta registration has gone live. GitArch right now is in the process of putting together 10 teams, and spanning over a 4-week period, they will be engaged in the beta testing period.
They've also dedicated 50,000 Tinker to the rewards.
Great news coming out of YoudleDAO. This is a community-controlled DAO that focuses primarily on the prosperity and continued growth of the Dotsama ecosystem. And by showcasing and utilizing some of the most advanced features in Web3, that's exactly how they're able to provide a revolutionary community governance system. The DAO recently launched its Rainbow Ticket sale event, whereby holders of the Udl NFT tickets were able to exchange them for a Rainbow Ticket. And that meant that the Rainbow Ticket became redeemable for any item of any rarity in the Udl vault. Now, in order to be eligible for the Rainbow Ticket sale, you must already be holding at least 2 Udl NFT tickets. So if you're interested in ticket applications, they can be found in the description box below. And by the way, if you're already a YoudleDAO member, you can be looking forward to the Tinker airdrop, and also the bonfire event is absolutely still a go. But the big news from YoudleDAO this week for me personally is that the website has gone live, and I'd like to share that with you all just in case you didn't know. I'd like you to really remember that the website address, it is temporary, so it can and might change soon. For interested parties about the DAO, you can find all information clearly laid out in the very user-friendly interface. You can learn all about the DAO and its innovations by checking out the white paper, readily available at the top of the website. And finally, Basilisk. If you remember last week, we had introduced Basilisk as a new partner of Tinkernet, who will be doing their price discovery very, very soon. They are going to be opening their Twitter space where they'll be able to go into more technical detail about exactly what liquidity bootstrapping pools are and how they add additional value to new projects looking for price listing and price discovery. Now, if you're passionate about Web3, blockchain, IP sets, or even just our ecosystem, the Ambassador program could be for you. InvArch is constantly recruiting, and we have a lot of exciting things happening right now in the community with a very transparent reward system whereby you can be using your content creating skills and receiving Varch and Tinker. You are updated in less than 5 minutes. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and subscribe, because I'll be coming out with regular content every single week so that you can stay fully informed in what's going on. My name's Richie, and I'll see you in the next one.